can I move to the room or to the
Sure,
one?
I'll fit. You know what? I'll tell you. I'll walk you through here, and then you can walk around.
Okay, okay.
So right here we have the Buffalo Foundry, and all of this equipment was donated to us by a great man and a sculptor who wanted to give back to the community. And what we're doing now is we're setting up this shop. If you can work a lathe and you can work a mill, you can get a job in the industry, right? It doesn't matter how old these machines are. From Buffalo Public Schools to build these boats, right? And the boat can theoretically go together in about 6 hours, and we're taking our time here because we really want these kids to experience what it's like to build this boat, right? So we have kids coming in Monday through Thursday. These are 2 boats that are finishing up right here, and ultimately they're going to launch them, you know, either at Hoyt Lake or potentially at their pool, right? To do maybe a couple races or something like that. Like marine plywood, right? Like fiberglass. Our archives, our collections, and our library, right?
Wow.
And this is where we teach a lot of our courses.
This is too much. To be honest, this is too much.
It's a fun thing, and we want to get more people involved, so your video is going to help.
Hopefully.
Yeah. And also, like for example, here is where John was talking to these kids about drawing an orthographic drawing, top side, front view of a product or something like that. That being the 6-hour canoe downstairs. So he's explaining that, and we have kids actually drawing, right? And we actually have John Montague, who was the founder, is the founder. And he's painted all of these pictures that you can see on the wall.
Here we can now.
Oh yeah, that's a packet boat right there, you know. And we are in the process of organizing our collection here. And you can see in here a little reading room.
Wow.
You know, nice little, just to relax. And we have a great picture of Riverside High School from Buffalo.